So I got Adelia a gift and she's gonna open it.
What? You got me a gift?
Yep.
Aw, you don't have to give me anything. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel.
What? What's happening? I'm just editing.
Welcome back to another vlog.
10:45 p.m. You're gonna wake the neighbors.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and commenting and being so sweet and listening to his new song.
Thank you.
And it's all really good.
Hey, it was good.
Let's get into the vlog. I'm over here with the one and only movie star. I'm a little hurt and
wait a second.
I don't understand why.
How are you hurt that I wasn't in it? You're the one with the camera. Just put me in the vlog. We literally are together all the time.
I feel like just this week we weren't. You know what I mean?
Why don't you just come over?
I don't know.
I saw you went to Mark's.
To edit.
Oh, you couldn't edit mine?
Also, I put 2 pigtails in today to feel cute. You like my pigtails?
I like them.
Yeah.
I'm super stoked to be on my new movie. Man from Toronto, baby. We can finally talk about it.
He's a star. He's in his new movie.
I didn't have salt and vinegar chips, so I got you something else.
Oh, God. Dude, I can't wear large. I need XS. Always messing this up.
I'll take it. Thank you. Jess and I going to a cute little showroom and taking photos like we always do. We're just gonna take you guys along. Vroom, vroom. So cute. Hello everyone. Damn, you look good, girl. Hey, I want to tell you something. Come here.
What?
I'm just saying Pete Davidson is a stud. He's dated Ariana Grande and Kate Beckinsale. Both babes.
Okay, but we're hot and he hasn't dated us.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Jessica got some Dominoes.
The cinnamon twirly twirls. I have a confession. It came with 12 of them.
And there's 2 left.
And I've been alone.
It's okay, we're not judging. I started drinking at 3 today.
Okay, we're doing great. So I got 2 left. 1 for you, 1 for me. Because I still, of course, need another one.
Yeah, we should make YouTube vlogs.
Hey, I'm vlogging.
Why is it like that?
Oh fuck, I broke your camera. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Literally, it's actually 5 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
I should do a challenge of eating healthy for a week.
We couldn't do it. How about let's start for a day?
You guys have had Chick-fil-A this week, Taco Bell, McDonald's I'm sure, Domino's, Shake Shack. Adelia had Dave's Hot Chicken.
I had a salad today. I was like,
Whoa there. That's where you're putting that hand.
You said easy access. How are you doing today?
Doing well, how are you?
Good.
We're both very colorful today.
I know. How do you feel about these 3 more months? Yeah.
Can't do it. I just booked a house in Big Bear. Hobby. I'm gonna go up there, be one with nature, smell the trees, look for the biggest bear in the world.
Fight him.
Fight him, bring him back, show everybody my accomplishments. How do you feel about 3 more months?
I feel okay about it because that's just more content for me and more learning for me and
That's a good way to look
pushing
at
myself. Yeah.
Hello.
My big glass of water.
Oh, there's my face.
There you go. You guys are so tall.
I'm just a body to you, aren't I?
Yeah.
Oh, hey. What's up, guys?
About to work out. It's my workout outfit. Yes. You look good? I am. Calvin Klein, scooting. Adelia, where's your energy? Why are you so low right now?
I don't know.
Why are you in a funk, bro?
I'm not even in a funk. I just am having a quiet date today.
Why? Why do you think that is?
I don't know.
Periods?
No.
Adelia today.
Oh my god.
Freaking get amped, bro! Life is great! You got 2 friends right here who got Costco memberships. Just saying. Got 2. I'm such a good boyfriend. I always give forehead kisses.
I think forehead kisses make people such simps. I'd rather get the real thing. That's nice.
So Jess is outside on the phone. And she's drinking this Sprite here, and we're gonna put a little tequila in there. So when she comes and takes a sip, she's gonna be like, "What the fuck?"
Okay.
That's a lot, bro. What is this?
Mine. Sorry.
I'll clean it later.
No, I said my coffee.
We know Pierson.
It's fucking death.
You're over here like, yeah, yeah!
It's a prank! We got her, guys!
We got her. We're doing a little Superman. There's nothing else to do.
Do I push you up? Yeah. Do I let go of you now?
Yep. Yeah! Oh,
Cool. Alright, Nemo!
Oh!
Hey! Just stretched out the hamstrings, my mate! That was cool.
wasn't it?
Did you feel like you were floating?
Yeah.
Now let me Superman you in air. Run and jump into my arms.
If you fart, I swear to God, no! Fart.
Oh! That actually scared me.
Of course I got you.
We are out here doing some nail stuff. Yay, we're gonna do nails. Look at this cute little nail salon I just went to. It's called Jess's Nails.
Dude, I literally am like just tasting tequila right now.
Shout out, Mark.
It's a cute taupey color.
Mark! Take me home
To vlog.
to the place. What's the next line, Adelia?
And we are done. Thank you.
That'll be $45 and an extra $5 because you got the matte top color. Thank you.
Mark. Do you like my nails?
They smell burnt.
Do you like the color?
What color is it?
Taupe.
Taupe.
Taupe. Mark!
In other news, check this out. Snapped this in half. I don't know how. How? I broke my dresser. I broke my bed.
What'd
My
you
car got keyed. A girl hit my car. I broke my lampshade the other day. My shoes got ruined by you. Like, what is life? It's just everything's going so fucking well.
Aw.
You know, we're just all trying to do it together.
Come here. Wait, come here. You need a hug. Everyone hug him.
Mark, tell us how you really feel.
Don't. Why would you do that?
I wanted to make you mad, but I know you wouldn't be mad, and I knew I was gonna clean us up anyway. Yay, game night! Woo, we're making margaritas! Who's most likely to? Ooh, who's most likely to what? What?
That what?
Oh!
Probably you.
Probably Mark.
Marga. Tequila.
Give it to us.
I don't know.
Is this bad?
I'm scared, just say it.
Let me see it.
Why is he allowed to see it?
Mark!
Just drop it on someone's pile and see how they react.
What is it?
Give it to Adelia.
Bitch.
You know what? He's just saying that because you spilled Dr. Pepper all over his white vans.
Hold on. Build it or you fucking threw it on my white vans?
I threw it, spilled it, on his white van. We're bored, waiting for our Postmates.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Got the lights set pink and so are Adelia's hair.
It's purple.
The lights are purple and so is Adelia's hair. And she's wearing my hat and the other day she yelled at me because she was like, where's that hat that you let me wear? And then she turned out, she went home and she found the hat at her house. So she stole my fucking hat and then accused me of misplacing it.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay, great. We're waiting for our food, so Mark decided to randomly watch my video.
You know what I actually like that you do, which is really cool? It's about to happen. This shot right here. Hold on. Whatever. I like that shot.
Oh yeah.
What was that, everyone?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at all this yummy wings, yummy food, yummy fries.
These are phenomenal.
Oh yeah. So I got Adelia a gift and she's gonna open it.
What? You got me a gift?
Yep.
I thought I was just opening one for you.
Nope.
Aw, you don't have to give me anything. Oh, we're gonna tie-dye.
I know you like DIY stuff.
Finally, it fucking comes in. Wait, this is dope.
Now you can tie-dye all my shirts for me. Oh, damn.
Whoa. That's cool. It comes with that. It comes with gloves. Hello. So I've been editing all night. Where have you been, huh?
Let's pick up the keys to my place in the Big Bear. I got you something. I know that you really like peanut butter Muddy Buddies, so I got you them because you can never find them.
I can never.
There you go.
You got me
4,
More! There's not another one, is there? There's another one?
5.
Oh my god! Oh my god! My dream came true!
Mm-hmm. Got myself an apple juice. I heard that if you drink apple juice at night before bed, you have weird dreams.
Really?
Spent $30 on Muddy Buddies.
You spent $30? Was it worth it?
As long as you're happy.
Aw, you're so
I didn't
sweet.
even vlog it, you wanted to. See, I do nice things off vlog.
Thank you for watching my vlog, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe, and listen to Mark's new song, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you.
I was like,
Mark! Lit me on fire.
That's the best outro you've had yet.
But you gotta remind me to.
Just do it.
What do I
Remind me
remind?
to say bye.
Oh, what do I say? Just say bye.
God, you guys are the same. Now I gotta remind both of you. Say bye.
Say bye. Bye.